concerned about your new barbecue grill. Are you sure you put it together right?
Am I sure? Am I sure? Harriet, I am the barbecue chef extraordinaire. I am the king of meat.
May I ask you a question, oh royal meatiness?
You may.
How come you spent so much money on that new high-tech gas barbecue? We could have used that money to fix up the kitchen.
Harriet, we don't need to redo the kitchen. We got a swell kitchen. I would not dream of redoing this kitchen. I shall return shortly with cooked meat. I've been thinking. It's time to redo the kitchen.